Original stories, simple crafts. Welcome back to Crafty Nanny. Today we're going to be making scoot sticky buns from things that you already have in your pantry. The first thing you need is a block of dough. I'm actually using store-bought pizza dough from the refrigerated section of my supermarket. You're going to shape your dough into a rectangle, and you can do this by stretching it with your hand, or you can use a rolling pin to get it as flat as possible. After you've made your dough into somewhat of a rectangle, spread butter all over the surface of the dough. You're going to need quite a bit of butter, keeping in mind that regular sticky buns already have butter worked into the dough, but pizza dough does not contain any of that butter, so you need to add it after the fact. Then, because it's fall, I'm adding a little bit of applesauce, and I'm trying to make this as DIY friendly as possible, hence no chopped apples. After the applesauce, sprinkle on a liberal helping of brown sugar, and then top that off with 1 box of raisins. Can you tell I have a toddler? Applesauce cup and raisins. Raisins are followed by sprinkling of cinnamon, and then you roll everything together to make one log. You're going to cut this into individual sticky buns afterwards, but you're just rolling it now to make sure everything is tightly packed in there, trying to contain as much of that goodness as you can. Once you have your log, you can butter your baking tin and then cut your log into individual sticky buns. Place them in the baking tin and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. There you have it, buns ready for the oven. And here they are in the oven. Let's listen. What are you saying, Buns? You sound delicious. 45 minutes later, beautiful sticky buns, and you did not even have to make the dough. So try it out. Let me know what you think. Keep crafting, and I'll see you next time.